Apply Alpine water-soluble granule for indoor use only when you can control access, ventilation, and application rates to minimize human and pet exposure. Alpine water-soluble granule is a dry formulation that dissolves in water to create a sprayable solution. Always read and follow the product label for mixing concentrations and allowable indoor uses because the label is the legal and technical authority. Use personal protective equipment every time you handle concentrate and finish solution, including nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a long-sleeved shirt and pants. Wash hands and expose skin after handling. Mix only the quantity needed for that treatment to avoid storing diluted product. And label any remaining concentrate clearly and return it to secure storage. Apply during low traffic periods such as when occupants are away or at night in commercial spaces, and post signs or verbally notify residents to stay out of treated rooms until surfaces are dry. Focus treatments into cracks, crevices, voids, and behind appliances rather than broad surface sprays to reduce off-target residue and airborne droplets. Use a low-pressure hand wand or crack and crevice injector to control droplet size and placement. Increase ventilation after application by opening windows and running exhaust fans or mechanical ventilation where possible until odors dissipate and surfaces are dry. Combine Alpine use with non-chemical tactics like sanitation, baiting, trapping, and exclusion to reduce reliance on liquid residuals and to limit reapplications. Common mistakes include over-application that creates excessive residue and unnecessary exposure. Avoid this by measuring the product and treating only labeled target sites and reducing overlap between spray patterns. Another frequent issue is inadequate notification and access control that leads to occupant exposure and complaints. Address this by scheduling treatments during low traffic hours, posting clear notices, and briefing occupants on re-entry times. A third problem is poor placement that leaves treated areas accessible to children or pets, or misses harborages for pests. Fix this by targeting cracks and voids, treating per label for hiding places, and using bait stations and traps in accessible zones instead of widespread surface sprays. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home service needs, including pest control, so we can help users find local professionals and share experience. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and discuss safe application practices.